To prevent notification from appearing at the top of the screen when the not disturb mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap do not disturb, scroll down the screen, tap hide notification, and then tap the gray on off switch next to hide from notification panel to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. As a note, enabling this option will automatically prevent pop-up notification and status bar icons. Now, when the not disturb mode is on, your phone will not show notification icon on your status bar and in the notification panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.